You may have seen my video on making a livestock water that I use for my goats, and I just wanted to take a second to show you this one. It's one that I use for my pigeons, and there's water spilled out here because I just got through cleaning it because I didn't want to show it to you when it was dirty. But the inside, and if you look in my video on making the livestock water, you'll see how I clean these. It's real easy to do. And this, fills automatically with a float in there, and you just make it exactly like I made that livestock water, but it's just made with smaller PVC pipe, which I think this is 3-inch is actually what this is. And then I just put a piece of aluminum hooked up there above it. They come lay on this board and get up in it, and that keeps the pigeon droppings out of it. It's high enough that when they turn around they don't poop in it, and it works out really great. I don't have to change their water several times every day. Hope this helps give you some ideas. If you want to see how to make it, look at my video on livestock water. Thank you for watching.